parking lot. What I got put me around all these people who are successful. I'm tired of coming home seeing my mama stressful. She told me she don't wanna see me hustle, but we all know we don't wanna see mama struggle. My childhood was hard, but that's in the past. My first child's birthday, that's gonna be my first tag. Winters without heat, summers without AC. Whole time having hoop dreams that I'm a ball like KD. I'm hearing gunshots in my window, get low on the floor. Cops trying to find my dad, they busting through the door. Now I'm older, I can take care of myself. I'm getting away from the bad things, hanging that up on the shelf. Praying to God, I'ma get some wealth. I remember watching Little Bill, now I gotta pay my bills. Life has so much stress, but successful I will. Life has so many tests and so many obstacles. I remember how summer days when I was young eating popsicles. In time I can't go back, but I do wish that. All I wanna do is count stacks. All people talk about nowadays is smoking pack. All this needs to change. I'm shooting from a 4-point range. My life is fucked up, so I gotta rearrange. I said this before, but I am still learning. Life is a game, but to win you gotta earn it. You were so confident, but now the tables are turning. I got a time limit to make my mama proud. I gotta do it before I'm in the clouds.